welcome back to KopralTuuf here. Now it's third report. I'm on the cliff now, and it's between Bingin and Dreamland. Checking the waves. This looks something, but it's a little bit slow, and then it's a bit smaller. Yeah, I will show you the waves video. Check it out. You can see from here, Bingin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people surfing, but there's no wind. Some set, but just a couple minutes, maybe more than 10 minutes for the set. And I will check to if possible. It's flat, and something at Uluwatu. Padang is pretty good for high tide later. Uluwatu side shore, really good. We checked Dreamland. There's two surfer right there. It's good. I think now it's good because it's low tide a little bit. And in the morning, so it's not many people right there. Yes, bodyboard. So guys, the wave is a bit small today. Things being in just like 1, 2 foot. Impossible, same, slower. Maybe Uluwatu is fun today for you if you wanna surf performer or beginner. But today is a good day. It's good for learn, good for surf. So because surf always fun, you know. And then oh yeah, here the set come from Bingin. See this one. Check it out. Yes, someone go turn. Oh, turn, big turn. Another one. Big. Oh. Oh, he missed it. What's that? Go. Oh. Dreamland. So good, but not too much. Balangan looks nothing, maybe 1, 2 foot also. So the waves is not really big. If you are beginner, now is the time. I think it's gonna be good for you. The tide is gonna getting high, be around 9 or 10 o'clock. Good for you to surf everywhere. Maybe you can go surf Bingin or Padang, Uluwatu or Balangan. From here, Balangan it looks 1, 2 foot, and still same. All the size, the wave size is same. It's nothing special today, but still you can make it fun. It's a good day. Maybe if you're a beginner class, you can go tomorrow morning if you want to go surf Dreamland. because it's a bit low tide tomorrow, so it's good. Or go surf this afternoon. This afternoon is low tide. Then it's really good, Dreamland. But you know, afternoon is always crowded there. But still, you can having fun. Alright. Oh, set again. Set again. Set again. Oh. Alright guys, that's the report from today for me. The wave size is 1-2 foot and the tide is getting high. It's the afternoon low tide, and that's it. That's the report from today. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you press like, comment, maybe some subscribe to help my channel grow. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Go surf. Cheers. Cheers.